Hi, I'm Dhairya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the most decadent and creamy cafe-style hot chocolate at home. So let's get started. We will start by finely chopping some good quality dark chocolate. I'm using the one with 55% cocoa. You can use any dark chocolate you like. As you can see, I'm chopping them to be really fine so that they quickly melt in the milk without leaving any big lumps. I will use this milk with 6.5% of fat in it. Usually in cafes, full cream milk is used to make hot chocolate with a fat percentage of 6 to 6.5. Such a high fat percentage gives you a very creamy hot chocolate. If you don't have full cream milk at the moment, you can still go ahead and make this hot chocolate. It will still be very chocolatey and yummy. Take the milk in a pan and put it over medium flame. Add in cocoa powder and sugar. Mix it until there are no lumps. Once the milk starts getting warm, take corn flour in a bowl and add in a small amount of milk. Mix this using a spoon until there are no lumps. Our corn flour slurry is now ready. Add this to the milk. Turn the flame to high and bring this to a boil. Two things to remember is that we turn the flame to high only after adding the corn flour slurry, and secondly, we have to mix it continuously while it's on high flame so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and form lumps. I have turned the flame to high and I'm mixing it continuously until the mixture comes to a boil. Once the mixture boils, turn the flame to medium and add chopped chocolate. Mix this to dissolve the chocolate. Once the chocolate melts completely, your silky and smooth hot chocolate is ready. For best results, you can strain your hot chocolate once to make sure that there are no lumps of chocolate or cocoa powder. This is the most luscious hot chocolate you'll ever make at home. You can have it with whipped cream, marshmallows, strawberries, or honestly nothing at all because it's just too good. You can store this hot chocolate in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days and enjoy a warm cup anytime you like. The entire recipe is in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new recipe. Happy baking and bye.